Thank you. My name is Reza. I am a CEO and co-founder of Ferveret. We develop liquid cooling technologies, and today I'm gonna talk about the product that we develop for crypto. We are a group of engineers that has experience with cooling of the nuclear reactor, and also design cooling solution for Microsoft, Nvidia, and now for crypto. Um, for those of you that knows immersion cooling, our solution basically is the blend of single phase and two phase. So you basically take advantage of all the benefits and efficiency that you get on the case of two phase, but you don't have all the problems and downside that comes with it. Obviously, in 5 minutes, it's very, very hard to explain all the technical details, but please come and see me if you have an interest after the talk, and I would be happy to explain how the technology works. Um, but the product is basically these kind of a elegant, a small modular box. We call it Arola product. That the way that it works is each of your miners, either immersion ready ones or the air cool ones, can go into one of these Arola product, and then bunch of these Arola product would sit in a rack, and then each of the racks basically like a piece of the puzzle can be attached to each other and make your 1 megawatt, 2 megawatt, or whatever capacity you might have. The reason that we mentioned here full stack solution because we also have a software that you can remotely monitor the performance of the system, all the vitals of the system. So it's like completely hands off. You can run the system remotely. You can adjust the overclocking and everything. So everything can be controlled remotely, and it's very easy to install in the capacity, either in the shell or it can come also in the container form factor. Um, but the question would be why you have to choose Ferveret. Okay. Our solution is basically has a very low capital cost in compared to typical two-phase solutions that are out there. The cost base for our solution is basically same as single phase. Um, Enhanced efficiency. I'm gonna talk about some of the numbers in the next couple of slides. That how much more efficiency you can get. We would maximize uptime. We have been running almost about a year. Large implementation with almost 100% uptime without any issues. Um, Seamless scalability. As I show you, it's very easy to scale our solution, and also simplify maintenance. So obviously, if you have every individual unit into one of these box, it's very easy to do the maintenance for each individual units. Let's look at some of the numbers, and these are like a real data from the customer side. If we look at the S21 immersion as an example and single phase as a base case, in the case of single phase immersion, you can see these machines run at the efficiency of 16 joule per terahash, and the total hash rate is about 215. If you take the exact same machine and put it into our solution, the efficiency goes down by almost 2.1 joule per terahash at the same hash rate. Okay. So everyone thinks basically overclocking comes with the hit on the efficiency. Uh, but in reality, the efficiency is tied to the chip temperature. So if you manage to keep your chip temperature low, you can still overclock with the very good efficiencies. As you can see here, you can overclock up to 35% with the exact same efficiency as nominal single phase solution. And you can see how much more hash rate you will get. And your annual basically profit can increase by up to 35%. You can always do also ultimate overclocking, which is about 45%. Your efficiency goes down just a little bit, but you can see how much more hash rate you can get with our solution and how much your annual profit can go up. So this was the example for the S21 immersion. This is the similar example for S21 Pro, which is an air-cooled system. You just remove the fan, put it in our solution. Um, Again, since we don't have much of time, I can't go through the numbers, but the story is exactly the same. You can do a ton of overclocking without hitting on the efficiency side of things. Um, Yeah, come and see us. We are located at booth 261. You can scan the QR code and download our data sheet. And also, we have a demo unit here that we can show you how the whole system works. Yeah, thank you for your attention. Thanks, guys.